What if I told you you can build an anime level demon back just like Baki, Goku or even Toji without touching a single weight or having to step outside and touch grass? My back was built without using weights, just pure calisthenics baby. So in this video I'm gonna show you the best exercises for the back to achieve that godly anime look. Now most of these exercises can be done without equipment from the comfort of your own home, so log in. Now I'm not saying that weights can't be a beneficial addition to your back training arsenal, but it's in no shape or form needed. Before we get into the exercises, let's analyze these anime characters' backs and see what makes them so damn impressive. Firstly, they always have a clear X-frame. This look is achieved through having massive lats combined with a small waist. This is probably the most important factor. However, width alone isn't gonna get you all the way there. The real reason why they look so damn impressive is the width combined with that groovy, thick back. If you look at Baki Hanma, or even his dad, Yurio Hanma, a major reason why their backs are so damn impressive is because their backs have muscles that the average person doesn't even know exists. Now the first thing that we need to unlock that anime level back is some sort of horizontal pull. The job of the horizontal pull is to improve the thickness and the grooviness of the back. Here, rows are your best option. The row is a fantastic exercise because it's easy to make harder or easier depending on your level. To make it easier, just bend your legs and do the pull-ups like this. If this is too easy, you can straighten out your legs. And if even this gets too easy, you can elevate your feet using some sort of box or other object. Now for the second exercise, we're gonna need some sort of vertical pull. Here, pull-ups are gonna be your best friend. Pull-ups are what got me the majority of my back gains. They mainly target your lats, which is gonna give you that X-frame look that all good-looking anime characters have. Now unfortunately, the pull-up is quite hard to do without equipment. But if you wanna do it from the comfort of your own home, here are your two options. Option 1, invest in a door pull-up bar. It gets the job done, you can do pull-ups on there. The only problem is you can't straighten your legs. But for me that was not an issue. Now option 2 is a bit more risky, I would say. You can only do this one if you have a really sturdy door. So what you do is you hang a towel over the door and you do pull-ups on the door, like this. If the pull-up is too difficult of an exercise, you can always use resistance bands. But if you don't have a resistance band, what you can do to make it easier is do the jumping pull-up. Here you just jump up and lower yourself down as slowly as you can. As a general rule of thumb, we're about 30% stronger on the negative of an exercise, so this should make the exercise feel a lot easier. Now there's one last element that Baki and other anime characters use to get that insane demon back that I didn't mention earlier. The last thing that we need to do is get that demon level spine. Here I'm talking about the lower back. For the lower back, here's what you want to do. Lay down on the floor, put your hands above your head. Now you can do reps like this. It's called back extensions and it will target the lower back. Make the exercise harder by holding the position at the top for about 3 seconds before lowering down. That was all the exercises. Now you're probably wondering, how do I structure my training program to make it the most efficient possible? Here's an example of what a typical workout program could look like. 3 sets of pull-ups followed by 3 sets of rows and end the workout with 3 sets of back extensions. I recommend doing this workout 2 to 3 times per week for optimal results. Anime characters never level up by accident. They always train with discipline, consistency and purpose. So if you're ready to stop training like a side character and actually develop that main character physique, apply for coaching using the link below. That's it for the video. See you guys. Bye.